So LuvMaman makes these living superfood spreads. These are functional food. They are nutrient dense because they are sprouted in stone ground. When you sprout the nuts and seeds, you make them ready for rebirth, so the nutrient density is much higher. Stone grounding allows the enzymatic activity to stay intact, so people with gut issues will appreciate our products a lot. Our products are made with these sprouted stone ground nuts and seeds infused with ghee, which is a clarified butter, and then added some other superfoods, for example goji berries, and they are sweetened with raw unfiltered sustainable honey. We are an eco-friendly company, so we respect the environment, we respect animals and plants, and our packaging, they're all environmentally friendly.